I'm still walking. See my guys behind.
And stay up.
Somebody must be first, somebody must be last. See them.
I think we are almost getting there.
Oh, gym instructor, where are you? So we're still walking now. We have not even started the canopy. This is pre-canopy. You have not started though. That one is skywalk. You are going high.
Oh my God.
Get ready, get ready.